Any place is good for doing math, even the living room. Imagination is all it takes to turn math into child's play. Tonight, after dinner, Oliver's sister sits in the living room to do her homework. Oliver would like to help Susie with her lessons, but she thinks he's too young to do math. Wait till you get bigger. How big? At least as big as 3 backpacks. Mom, who was not far away, joins the conversation. Measuring? But that's math. Come, Oliver. We'll measure the coffee table with our hands. How would you measure the length of the table with your hand? Oliver thinks. I don't know where to put my hand next. Like this, Mom asks. No, Mom, you're not doing this right. I know. I'll place my other hand next to it. 1, 2, 3. Are you sure you started in the right place? Oops. I'll start over. I count 10 hands and a little bit more. Do you think the answer will be the same if we use my hands? It'll take fewer hands. 8 hands. Did the table get smaller? No, your hands are bigger than mine. Measuring. This activity is a great way to familiarize children with good measuring practices. Line up the measuring tool with the object being measured. Then, carefully move the tool one length over. Repeat until you reach the end of the object and count how many times the tool was moved. You see, we can use all kinds of things to measure. Can we use this? It's a great choice, answers Mom. Really? A box of tissues? It's not just a box of tissues. It looks like a rectangular prism. Precious? Not precious, a rectangular prism. Let's explore the living room and look for more objects that remind us of a rectangular prism. A book. A speaker. The TV. A deck of cards. An electronic tablet. You found a lot. Why do these objects remind you of a rectangular prism? Because it's straight and there are corners. Recognizing solids and shapes. Associating objects with geometric solids is a great way for children to learn about the characteristics of three-dimensional shapes, such as faces, vertices, and edges. Shall we play cards? I know a good game. It's called War. The rules are simple. First, we split the cards in half, for you and for me. Then we each turn over the top card of our deck to compare them. The person with the most valuable card wins both cards and puts them under their deck. Oh no, Mom wins this turn. Oh yes? Why? There are more hearts than spades. You're right. The game ends when one of the players has won all of the opponent's cards. We turn another card. Oliver observes Mom's card and recognizes the constellation formed by the 5 diamonds. On his card, he also recognizes the constellation of 5 with 2 more clubs. 7 against 5? I win! Yes! Pick up the cards and place them under your deck. Come on, Mom, let's turn another card. I'm going to win again. I'm good at this game. Comparison and recognition of quantities without counting. Young children are usually able to visually compare quantities long before they can count the items one by one. They will intuitively compare what is on the cards by paying attention to in this example, the patterns of hearts on the card. Dice games are another good opportunity to develop these skills. Her homework done, Susie joins Oliver and Mom on the couch. It's story time! We can do math while looking at a book, you know. Do you see the page number here? Yes, that's a 1. Yes, we are on the first page. And what will be the next page number? 2. I hope there's not too many pages. How many rabbits are on the page? 2 grays, 2 whites, and 1 brown. And how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You forgot that one, says Susie. Look, it's hidden. 6 rabbits, says Oliver. Let's count all the rabbits we see in the book, okay? Numbers. Number recognition and counting are important skills to develop in young children. Books provide a great opportunity to count and learn about numbers. Your local library is a great place to discover new books. After having so much fun doing math in the living room, Oliver falls asleep without even having to count sheep. Perhaps he will dream of mathematics? After all, math is everywhere.